debate is to have sunshine on the process. And I think that people will be judged by the votes they take and the positions they take. So that's what I think about this process. In terms of what am I doing to whip up the vote, I talked a little bit before, so I won't talk at great length, but as vice chairman of the committee and also chief deputy whip, what happened was about 2 days before the bill came through my committee, in fact, on July 29th, the Blue Dogs had gone over to negotiate with the White House about really gutting the public auction. And they made a deal with the White House, which caused the rest of the Democrats on the Energy and Commerce Committee, not just the liberals, but also the moderates, to say, fine, we're not going to vote for the bill. And I think it's so important that we improve health care in this country and that we insure all Americans. I said, I'm not going to let this bill die right here, not under my watch. And so I actually pulled together all of the, I suggested to the chairman, Congressman Waxman, that he pull everybody together, which he did, and we talked, and then I literally did shuttle diplomacy between the Blue Dogs and the people who wanted a robust public option. In the end, we passed the bill out of the committee, and we had a robust public option in the bill. That's the kind of thing I expect to do on the floor. I remind people that we have 435 congressional districts in this country. And one of the beauties of our constitutional democracy is every single one of those districts is about 600,000 people, and they're widely different. Think about, in this state, think about Denver, Colorado, or the 2nd Congressional District, which includes Boulder and some of the northern suburbs, versus Colorado Springs or Douglas County. Then you think about rural Arkansas versus New York City. And so oftentimes in the House, it's very difficult to put together some kind of consensus. But that's part of what we have to do here. I will say one other thing. I don't think we can, a lot of times what happens in Congress, we'll pass a bill that won't do anything. And then we'll say, and we'll claim victory and go home. We can't do that here. We have to